To make a purchase, start by opening the app and creating an account. Once you've done that, browse for items you'd like to buy. If nothing catches your eye, use the search function to find something specific, such as a necklace. When you've found an item you like, click on it to view its details. You'll see the product's pricing, ranking, colors, style, specifications, estimated arrival time, and shipping duration. There are also reviews and additional information from the seller. To add the item to your cart, click the Add to Cart button at the bottom right. You can then continue shopping or proceed to the cart to review your items in the cart. You can adjust the quantity of each item, add new items, or delete unwanted ones. The app will also display how much more you need to spend to qualify for free shipping. When you're ready, click the Checkout button at the bottom right and enter your shipping address. After confirming your address, complete the checkout process and make the payment. Once that's done, your items will be delivered to you. The process is straightforward, and with these steps, you should be able to make a purchase easily.